Okay, Google, turn off my lights.
You got it. Turning off 2 lights.
It's 3:58 in the morning. Whew, it's spooky out here. If you asked me like 3 months ago what this channel was about, I probably would have said cars. I probably would have said something along those lines. In my last video, I said something about how I feel like my channel is missing something. My videos are missing that touch. They're missing, you know, whatever it is that I felt like they're missing. They don't have that touch anymore. And I just sat in my room and thought about like why I started this channel in the first place, and I was like, wait, it wasn't because of cars. It was, for me, it was just because something I enjoyed doing. This video is not gonna be me complaining about the car community and how toxic it is or what people say and people's opinions and things like that. This video is just me telling you guys that I just needed some time to remember what this channel's about. This channel's not about cars. This channel's not even only about me. This channel is about spreading positivity and you know, spreading good vibes. You know, like say you're having like a long hard day at work and you come home, you just had a really bad day at work, you had a bad day at school, kids are bullying you or whatever it is, whoever's watching, whatever's relative to you, and you just come home and you sit down and you put on my videos and you watch my videos, and it gives you like good vibes, or it helps motivate you, and it helps, you know, help you get like a blueprint for what your goals could be for whatever it is, you know, if it's relative to cars, if it's relative to something I'm doing, like how I dress or how I make videos or whatever it is, like whatever motivates you. Like that's what this channel's about. It's not about cars. It's about being a good person and showing people that being a good person is dope, and you know, spreading positivity is dope. Like nowadays in this generation, like if you're positive about anything, if you're like a really like good vibey person, like yeah, some people are accepting of it, but a lot of people frown upon it. Like a lot of dudes, a lot of guys are like, this guy's a little bitch, like screw this kid, he's a fag. Like all these words will be thrown in your way, and it's just like, what? Like this channel's about positive vibes. It's about good vibes. It's about spreading positivity and like helping people, you know, like yeah, I've always, like when I was in college and I was going to school and I just found myself on my phone watching videos of other YouTubers, and I was just like, damn, I wish I could do this. I wish, like I was just thinking about it, it just made me like so happy, like inside. Like this channel is about spreading happiness and just being happy and everybody just being in a great mood. Like I want somebody to like come home and like and even if they didn't have a bad day at work or at school, like if they're just having a great day, they get home, they want to eat something, they're eating something, they want to watch something while they eat, like they put on my videos and they're just like entertained and they're just like, they love it. And it's like, that's what my videos are missing. Like it's missing the positivity. It's missing like those good vibes, and like that's what it was. Like that's really what it was, down to the core. Like that's really what it was. Like not only was I like a really genuinely happy person, like I was just a positive person. My mentality was positive, and like that's something like I just want to say in this video. Like it's just like, if you're watching this, like yo, like if you're having a problem, like yo, just try to be positive about whatever it is. Like keep a positive mentality about whatever it is you're going through. Like yeah, I know I was complaining and bitching about my last video and like talking about all the problems in my life, but that was me just venting. Like I knew a lot of you that helped me out in my last video. Like huge appreciation. I want to show a huge like love and support for you guys. Like thank you for supporting me and helping me and like sending me messages through DMs, like giving me advice and stuff, telling me about your own life problems. Like I really put things into perspective. I'm not saying like you guys didn't teach me anything, but I'm not saying like you guys taught me a whole lot, and that's what made my mood a lot better. I've been fixing my life itself. Somebody commented down below, like in my last video, talking about discipline and motivation, like how motivation's like not that important. It's just very like a on and off thing, but what you need in your life is discipline. And that comment really sat with me. I was like, yo, that's really true. Like that's something I'm really lacking, but I don't want to get carried away with that. Positivity, that's something that I need to spread, and that's something that my videos have always been about. And that's what I feel like what made me really successful amongst whatever my community is, like whether it be BMW guys or JDM dudes or just car guys in general, or people who just like good video production. If you feel like my video production is good, I'm gonna have to disagree with that. But if you feel like my video production is cool and that's why you watch, like, yo, so be it. Like, if you like watching that and you in your head, back in the back of your mind, you have like a plan to like start making videos and like you want to make videos like me, like that's cool. Like that's cool. Like if I'm motivating you, like I'm happy. Like if I'm inspiring you, that's cool. Like that's sick. Like that's a great feeling. Like go ahead, DM me and tell me that. Like I'm not gonna sit there and like leave you on scene or not reply. Like if I can see the message and I read it and it's something positive, like I'm gonna reply. That's what this channel was about. And it's like now, like, or like before, like I didn't have that positivity. Like if you're somebody who has loads of money, you're the only person who can like start like a charity fund. Like you can, like you have to have money to spread it, you know, like you have to have positivity to spread positivity. So like I wasn't like in a positive mind state, and like I feel like that's like really what my videos have been lacking. And I'm not saying like from here on out I'm gonna start making positive videos and like motivational videos. I'm just saying like that's something that I really like have realized. Like it's 3 in the morning right now. I was in my room and I was like, yo, I'm gonna get like right here, right now, I'm gonna get in this real exact spot and I'm gonna make this video talking about how, you know, I just feel like my channel is like, it's not only about cars, and I'm willing to accept that now. And like that's something that I just feel like I just got lost in, like the thought process of how to make videos, and whatever, it is what it is. But all I'm saying is if you have a car and somebody doesn't like the way it looks, or somebody has their opinion, and like whatever it is, don't let it change your own perspective of yourself. Like that's all that matters. Your perception of yourself is all that matters. That's nothing else matters. If you know that you're great at something, or you know that you're good at this, or you're good at that, or you know that you're happy and this makes you happy, nothing anybody says can stop you from thinking that, and nothing anybody says can change how you feel about that. Motivation is key, you know, and happiness is key, but also discipline is key. So discipline yourself to understand and believe the fact that if you yourself believe in yourself and you yourself can accept that you're great at something, or accept that your opinion of something is just, you know, fine the way it is, you're happy and you're content with how something is, whether it be your car, your life, your room, your haircut, your face, your legs, your arms, your body, like whatever it is. Like if you're a skinny twig or you're like huge, like who cares? Like if you're happy, your perception is all that matters. So that's what this channel is about. This channel is about spreading positivity. So for those of you in the comments that like start fighting and arguing with people, or like talking about, oh, you know, a 320, why would you buy that? Like it's shit. Or like, you know, like I started like a whole, like all this channel was about was like, all this channel was about was, yo, get whatever car you can get with whatever money you can get, whatever mods you can get, whatever mods you can afford, and who cares what anybody says. That's why I started, because money, bro. Like that was it. Like that was like the peak of like my positivity that I wanted to spread in the car community, in on YouTube in general. Like, yo, like I don't mind like kids like watching me, and like if they find like their mentality changes about something because of my videos, like that's great. Like that's like my goal. So like if you're watching this video and I've motivated you in any way, shape, or form, if I've helped you, like if I've inspired you in any way, shape, or form, like yo, like I know you guys let me know down below, but like yo, I've read them all and I really appreciate every single one of you. All I have to say is I love you guys so very much. You guys have changed my life entirely, and I will be back. Trust me, I will be back. And whether it takes me a couple weeks to get back on my horse or whatever it is, I'm just finding myself right now, and that's why I'm taking a little break from YouTube. But as soon as I find myself, as soon as I find that right formula again, and as soon as I find like, you know, my mind is in the right place, then I'll start making videos again. So yeah, that's all. That was my little rant, an update on me. I'm chilling, you know, I'm happy, you know, I shaved my beard, I got a haircut, I'm chilling. I don't know if you guys saw my room, it's nice and clean now. Like I'm just chilling, I'm relaxing, and I'm accepting who I am, and I'm just like going with life, and I'm just trying to work on myself. So yeah, if you're watching this video and you're depressed about something, just work on yourself. Don't just zone everybody out, forget about everybody, forget about everybody's opinions, don't care about none of that. Just worry about yourself, worry about your opinions of life, worry about how you feel about yourself, and that's all that matters in the end. So yeah, that pretty much does it for this video, guys. I'm getting creeped out. I should really go home. And yeah, that pretty much does it for this video. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna love ending this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.